to another video. You are watching Phones on George here with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about a variant which is none other than Samsung Galaxy's ELM. Yes, out there, this is a variant which was very popular back then when it was released in 2009. Yes, 2009 variant, very popular back then, offering a very different structure and a very different design out there. You can see that this variant had got a very different design as compared to 2009 models out there. And if we compare it with Sony's other variants, then we can say that this really had a different angle and tangent of placing the camera, the color choosing. If we talk about the color, the color variants are really amazing out there. The size is very different out there, like the display. If we talk about the entire design, that's quite different out there. And now let us talk about this variant's weight also, because design is different and weight offers you weight is actually related to the design as well. So change in design has changed the weight of this variant. Now it we can say that Sony's variant are approximately moderate rated weight version out there because it offers you 90 grams of weight. Yes, now the weight is 90 grams. Having a resistance of splash resistance display, yes, you will find that this is having a resistance of splash as well as offers you a mini sim technology which is very constant out there in Sony's variations, offering you TFT screen along with 256K colorization. We can say all the visual effects are quite good, as well as this variant offers you a very different kind of a design from front and the back side, both the side. You will find that the upper part is slightly thin out there as compared to the bottom part, so it is a wavy, a curved design out there. A slightly curve could be seen out here, as well as when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this amazing version of ELM out there, you can say that it has got a size of 2.2 inches, offering you 182 ppi density. Yes, 2.2 screen size offering you 182 ppi density works very well with the audience. Back then it was having a memory card, or we can say a storage capacity of 280 MB, which was quite sufficient, but still with today's time it is not sufficient. So expandability is also given to this phone. You can have an expandable storage capacity with a dedicated slot inbuilt in it. Along with that, you get to have 1,000 entries as well as 4 records out there. So overall, if we talk about this variant, you can see that this variant offers really good functionality out this. But when we talk about this variant, we cannot neglect out the fact that it offers you a rear camera and no selfie camera out here. Yes, if this variant offers you a rear camera of 5 megapixel with LED flashlight, which we have seen out there, and we can see it clearly in the this placement of camera is quite different. The placement of camera is very different out here, as well as no selfie camera is seen out there. Sony's most of the variants do not offer selfie camera, but this variant also does not offer you 3.5 mm jack. In 2009, if we talk about the variants released by Sony, they also did not have 3.5 mm jack, and this variant also does not have 3.5 mm jack, but offers you stereo type FM and speakers out there. As well as talking about this variant, we can say it has got Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity. You have can see GPS connectivity out there, accelerometer, everything could be seen. Apart from that, games, SD voice out there, MP3 players, photo editing organizations, everything is seen out in this variant. Offering you about 1000 mAh battery, we can say that has played a different role in different variations. If you talk about 1000 mAh battery, then it can offer you a great battery life also, talk time also, and less also. Just like in this variant, it offers you 3 hours and 40 minutes talk time, like approximately 4 hours talk time out there in 3G variant, and in 4G variant 4.5 hours talk time. So we can see that 1000 mAh plays a very different role in every kind of a variation. Since this variant is very we can say late released out there in 2009, we can expect the pricing to be very reasonable out there, and one side offers very pocketable and in worth investing price. So let us visit the site too. So this is the site I'm talking about, and the site name is phonezone.ae. Talking about this site, it offers you a great pricing for your desirable gadgets which you can search in this search icon. Yes, you all have to type your favorite gadgets, either the full name or any dedicated name out here. So this is the result of our search. And when we talk about the results, description box offers you all kind of specifications which you are looking for any gadget. There has been a specifications of all the things, like we talk about any kind of like storage, we talk about camera, anything which we can see in this. As well as there is a condition written on the top, that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition also. Talking about refurbished products, or we can say refurbished brand, or like brand new. If we talk about these two terms, then refurbished and brand new word, they both are quite same. Brand new itself means something which is first time launched or we are seeing for the very first time, whereas refurbished means something which is brand new, like something which is brand new like. So these are the two terms out there which we come to know. As well as when we talk about refurbished and brand new, we can say that brand new term uh, resembles to the gadgets, to the thing, or to anything which is absolutely newly launched, which is for the very first time, and we have not seen it in the entire series. But refurbished is like, that is a pre-owned thing which is now recreated again, so that it can be reused. Yes, this is what actually refurbished and brand new means. If we talk about the structure, if we talk about the functionality of these variants, they are absolutely same. Yes, if you get to see the functionality, they have the same functionality, whereas if you get to see the structurality, if you see the design, if you see the eyes, screen, if anything, any gadget, then they are also same. So overall we can say that brand new and refurbished products are very same. Once a refurbished product could be called a brand new, but a brand new product can never be refurbished, you could say that, because once a gadget is always brand new. Yes, once a gadget will always be brand new, but any brand new gadget can never be refurbished. Now let us talk about the passage, or how is it related, because we said that they are quite similar. So we can see that brand new's extension is refurbished. How? We have usually the three bases out here. We have the three pathways followed by any gadget. One is the base. Base is something from where we get that gadget, originated from there. Then comes the mediator, is the place where the base and the consumer meet, and the consumer are we, the users. Now in brand new, what happens is brand new has the base, which is the company. Yes, brand new's base is the company out here, because company is the one which for the very first time launches any gadget out here. Yes, this is the company which launches any gadget. Whereas mediator is the marketplace. Always the mediator will be marketplace for the gadgets, because this is the place where it's a bridge actually, where the company and the users meet. Now talking about the consumers are the users who uses that gadget for the very first time. This is actually the brand new out there. This is a brand new pathway. Now when we talk about brand new pathway, it terminates at the user. Yes, it terminates at the user. Now talking about the user, this user becomes the base of refurbished product, because the product has been pre-owned out here, so you get to have a refurbished brand now. If it is pre-owned, then it is said that it is once used out, so you can definitely once again use it. How? It is resold to another user. Yes, it is resold to another user. Now this is brought up in the market agencies which buy or which collects the pre-owned gadgets. Yes, pre-owned gadgets are used out here, are collected here. After that, you get to have testing of that gadget. Everything has to be tested, and then it is again resold to the users, and the users becomes a new user out here. Yes, now the user is a different user, another user is this. So this is what happens in a refurbished pathway. So you will find the structurality same, functionality same. Why we say so? Because there are 29 parameters to test these designs, these functions out there. Yes, you get to have 29 parameters, which include the external and internal parameters like externally we can see all the factors like display buttons out there, camera, video, audio quality out there, even the battery life, charger. These things could be seen out. So this is what brand new happens to be. Now talking about brand new products, we can say that brand new products offers you these things, and the same external factors offers you is offered in the refurbished category. Now, apart from these, refurbished also sees that the screen has scratches or not, the color is correct or not, is there any displacement in the buttons. These things also have to be seen, and the buttons are working properly or not. So these things also are checked out in these parameters. Then comes the internal parameters. Internal parameters includes nothing else but the internal functional parts like the connectivity, SIM recognition, OTG cable out there, your data wiping, data recovery, data colorizations out there, your LCD colorization, your touch screen, even your internal platforms like operating system, your processor, process maker, GPU out there. If it has sensors, then all kind of sensors has to be tested. Even the hotspot, Bluetooth connectivity, all the things has to be checked. Like 3.5 jack has to be checked out. So all the specifications which we read, which we study about any gadget once it is being launched, they all have to be checked out. Once it is checked, then these are certified as a refurbished gadget. If it is not passing in any of the parameter, if it fails in any one parameter, then it has to be renewed, it has to be corrected. Yes, if it fails in like display, then the display has to be changed out so that it can be resold, and the display is brought by the company out there. So it gives you a quality check, a good quality product, so that it offers you a good service. So this is overall the parameters which defines how the refurbished gadget looks like. Now talking about refurbished gadget, we can say there are few benefits associated with it. Now let us talk about the benefits of this product. And talking about the benefits of this product, we can say number one is the pocketable rates. Talking about pocketable rates, we can say that pocketable rates are very important part of any gadget, because we know that most of the gadgets are quite expensive for us. If we want to buy, then we need to check our pockets whether they fit into our pocket or not. So this is one thing which happens, and refurbished products are usually quite pocketable. Now talking about this pocketable rate, does it offer savings? Yes, it offers you savings also, because you get to have a savings where you, because brand new products are actually quite expensive, whereas refurbished are pocketable, so you can save a good amount. Yes, you definitely save a good amount out there. As well as when we talk about these products, we can say that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty, whereas you get to have 6 months warranty period in the refurbished gadgets. Yes, refurbished gadget offers you 6 months warranty period. Apart from that, you also get to have 7 days exchange policy. 7 day exchange policy is given so that you do not miss out your favorite gadgets, and if you have any default in the gadget, then that could be rectified and exchanged out there. So these are the few benefits associated with refurbished products, which you might not find in the brand new products. So these can be set a very good production and a very good condition out there. We can say a good condition which helps us to know about a gadget. So let us quickly go back to the site and check whether it offers you the same conditions or not. So as we were talking about the site, that is Phone Zone, which means Phone Zone means a place where you get a collection of gadgets out here, and here you get to see a category all mobile phones. This offers you n number of gadgets from these reputed brands, as well as you get to search your favorite gadgets out here. As we were discussing about the refurbished products, we got to see that there's a 6 months warranty and 7 day exchange policy, and this website offers you 6 months warranty and 7 day exchange policy also. Apart from that, there is COD and free shipping. Yes, COD and free shipping can also be seen out here, so you can check out the website. Shipping की बात करें, if we talk about shipping, then it takes around 48 hours for most parts of UAE, whereas it might take up to a week for Saudi. For best pricing, yes, for best pricing, you can visit out the website out here, which is phonezone.ae, or you can check out the description box. It has all the details. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.